You ever been off-roading and you got those multi-tire kits and maybe you opted for the digital air gauge, but then your batteries go out? Well, check out the multi-tire i.d.k. It's not a problem. Alright, so you got the one with the digital air gauge, and then your batteries on that gauge are dead, or you forgot to bring some, and then it's like, oh no, it's not working. Well, just take off this little valve cap right here. And now you don't have to take off each individual air chuck on your multi-tire kit to check the air pressure. You can just do it all right here. 38. Let's try another one. 38.2. Let's try this one. Oh, that's a low pressure. That's 1,600,000 million. Here's one of those ones you get from those tire stores. What about? That's about right. 38. Let's try this one. 2, 4, 6, 8. 38. Let's try this one. It's another about 38. Yeah, so don't stress if you forgot batteries. Whoop chicken.